Melanie, and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an Oscar-worthy, Academy Award-winning, absolutely gorgeous, elegant black tie wedding. You guys, I cannot wait for you to see it, so stay tuned. Let's get started with this absolutely stunning red rose wall from rosemorning.com. The link and coupon code can be found down below. I thought it was the perfect way to greet the guests as they entered up from the overlook from the absolutely stunning and breathtaking wedding ceremony. Once the guests were seated on the inside, they could also look out of this magnificent bay window and see the rose wall. It was the perfect place for photo opportunities as well. Now, keeping with this black tie theme, I wanted to go with a very beautiful luxury tablecloth with the matching napkins. All of the cutlery and plates were real. I absolutely love that touch, along with this gorgeous napkin ring from totallydazzled.com. I've also linked it down below as well. You guys know that elegance is in the details, and not one was spared in this event. I hope you guys look very closely as I reveal all of the elegant touches in this red carpet wedding. Flowers can be found everywhere at a wedding, from bouquets to boutonnieres to flower petals down the aisle at the ceremony, and even in beautiful floral creations and centerpieces for the tables. I absolutely love the florals that we chose for this event. The roses made the room smell divine. This floral table runner that we elevated using the mirror boxes was just a perfect complement to the extra large estate tables that were filling the room. Flowers are a key component to any wedding, and they bring mindfulness and wealthiness to each affair. I absolutely think that the type of flowers that you invite into the ceremony and to the reception space really sets the atmosphere for the entire event. My couple loved them so much so they decided to do a unity ceremony that was centered around roses. It was absolutely beautiful, and it was so unique. I'd never seen anyone do it before, but they allowed all of their guests to come up and place the flowers at their feet, and then it created a huge basket bouquet of flowers. It was just absolutely gorgeous. How elegant and timeless are these 10-arm mirror candelabras? They absolutely understood the assignment and they filled the space beautifully. There is nothing like live burning candles for a wedding or reception or red carpet event or black tie event. I just think that live candlelight is essential. And the way that these were displayed were just amazing. I love the fact that they also included the chimneys, and it made it a lot safer in terms of having live and exposed fire in a venue. I cannot get over how beautifully these napkins and the tablecloth complemented one another against the beautiful china. You guys, there is just no substitute for that. I just thought it looked absolutely amazing. The chairs were included in the venue, and I just think that it added to the overall statement and classy and timeless sophistication of this design. And speaking of design, if you guys would love to learn more about it, I share all of my tips, tricks, and secrets in Luxe Academy. I will leave the link to that along with everything that I mentioned in this video down in the description box below. Now moving on to the head table. You guys, we wanted to add in just a pop of red in order to match just kind of the underlying theme for this wedding. And I just thought that having the just beautiful florals cascading on the head table and at the foot of the head table just turned out so beautiful. I cannot get over how gorgeous and how lush these floral runners were. Terry did an incredible job with them. You guys see her down below, along with Kalia, myself. We really worked hard to pull this all together, and it turned out impeccable. The acrylic menus were custom made, and I just thought they added the perfect touch to the overall event. We had them done in gold. I also had custom stirrers made to accompany or complement the acrylic menus, and it just turned out so beautiful. The candle holders that you see there, I have used them time and time and time again. I purchased those at TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Home Goods. No kidding, I'm serious. I purchased them everywhere to ensure that I had enough for my events. I just think that it looks absolutely incredible. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now moving on to the cake. Oh my goodness, you guys. I absolutely love my cake designer. She is so super talented. Her cakes look good and they taste absolutely amazing. Her name is Mimi and she lives in Huntsville. And the name of her business is Cake Fetish by Mimi. What I love about her is that I can send her a design and maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different cakes, and she's able to pull that together so beautifully, so flawlessly, and so elegantly. I give her 5 stars for this incredible creation. So there you have it, you guys. This is the entire reveal of this absolutely stunning wedding. I hope that you enjoyed it. I want you guys to make your nominations down in the comments below. What detail blew you away? What detail deserves an Oscar or an Academy Award? Let me know down in the comments. I had so much fun creating this space. I had so much fun designing it. I love the different elements. I really want you guys to pay attention to all of the details, from the florals on the mantles to the runners on the estate tables that we formulated throughout of the room. Just everything. There was so much that went into planning this day, and I could not be happier with the way that everything turned out. Again, all the things that I mentioned in this video can be found down in the description box below or pinned in the first comment. I know many of you guys are going to be inquiring about, where I got the tablecloths or the napkin rings or the, centerpieces or the rose wall, or even about, how you can train with me. And I definitely want to offer you that opportunity. All you have to do is go to luxeacademy.podia.com to check it all out. Thank you all so much for joining. Let me know your favorite detail of today's wedding down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found several tips and ideas for hosting an elegant wedding or event of your own. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!